Here's my problem. I cannot get it because of this standing water. It's a puddle all around here. Not gonna be able to get it, unfortunately. At least not today, unless it gets like really, really dry. It's terrible, man. Because I gotta get those 3 on the bottom, and then on the positive side, I am gonna take this grill. Somebody already took it out, so that'll save me some time. I would get that AC actuator, but I don't want to be crawling on the ground. And I got one coming already from eBay. It's only gonna save me like $10 if I pull this one in. They finna close in an hour, so I'm just gonna take this grill and at least call it a successful trip. How to remove or replace the front end on your Ford Expedition 3rd generation 2007, 2008. This is a 08 right here you're seeing. First and foremost, I had to work those tabs. Those screw tabs, they're so annoying. Sometimes they'll pop right up. Sometimes you just have to keep screwing them and keep manipulating them. But you can go ahead and replace them once you're done. I think they might be single use, though I did try to use some of them again. But once you're able to get them out, pry them out with a flathead, you should be able to go ahead, take that cowl off. Now, you're not going to be able to go ahead and take the aftermarket grill off. There's a few screws right here, a few bolts. I was able just to get them off by hand. So whoever installed this vehicle before I had it, they really did a lazy job. They didn't even put these bolts in correct. I just took them out by hand. And I thought, yeah, I'm going to be able to pop this grill right out. Nope. It's never that easy, right? But it is simple if you follow these easy instructions in this video. Now, what I want you to do, go ahead and pull the grill back far enough for you to get your hand in there. And you see those little clips? My clips are kind of like rusted out, but it's these little tiny little metal clips. You should be able to manipulate them and kind of just pop them out. As you see me doing, there should be 4 clips. There may be more, there may be less, but at least 4, 2 on each side. Then I was able to get the aftermarket grill out, and that is the radiator you're looking at. And there's like a little area down there that's kind of like sealed off. You can check for, dirt, debris, or anything while you're in there. It might be a good job to clean it out. Mine was pretty clean, so I did not go down there and mess with that little radiator area, but just make sure the radiator housing is clean and the radiator looks fine. Now you're going to line up your replacement grill. I tried to line it up by the bottom. It wasn't lining up right. So I just kept trying to manipulate it. I went ahead, I put it behind those little pegs that it has to go in. Those pegs have to go in the slot that's on the actual grill. And they line up, and they'll fall right into place when they're ready to line up. But mine weren't lining up. So after not being able to get the OEM to fall in place, I started to take this piece of molding off right here, this little guard. I got my Torx set. It is a Torx bolt, it's one of the star ones. Took that piece of molding off, looked at it carefully, manipulated it a little bit off camera, and everything fell into place. I did not have to fight it. All right, on reassembly, one thing I noticed is this splash guard, this is third party. This does not go to the original front end. So if you put the front end back on, it's going to come with this piece already molded on. It's not going to be 2 separate pieces. See, this is 2 separate pieces. I don't need this. And it's like slightly incorrect too. You see? So that's third party. That came with that chrome grill, but I'm going back to the stock, so. Now that everything's taken care of, you can go ahead and drop that top piece of molding back on, that top protective cover. Drop that plastic cover back on, line the holes up right. Now these little tabs, I think they're single use only, but I'm gonna keep it real, man. I forced some of them to just go ahead and go back in there. I didn't feel like looking for my bag of tabs. I do have a bag of tabs I bought from AutoZone a couple years ago. I still have them, but I didn't feel like looking for it, so I just made these do what it do, put them back in there, and there you go. Got my grill done.